here is a giveaway for you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. As you guys know by the title and the thumbnail, today I'm going to try a new sponge. So this is the sponge. This is by the brand Plume and this is called Plume Beauty Sponge. So this is a microfiber sponge and it reminds me of Juno sponge, but that is not available in India, and I have heard great reviews about that. Every YouTubers love that. I recently came across this one. This is a microfiber sponge. You can see the fuzziness. It feels really fuzzy but very soft, and they have currently sent me this to try out. So I've got two sponges. This one is the blush pink teardrop sponge and you can see this side is flat and this is the contouring sponge, you can see. Anyways, so the sponge comes in a packaging like this. So this sponges retails for rupees 850 and you can buy it from their website. I am going to mention their website link as well as Instagram page link down in my description box below, so make sure you check that out. So guys, if you're interested in watching if this is good, better than the normal beauty blenders or makeup sponges out there, then please keep on watching. Before trying this, I really want to read out what the brand says about this product. So I'm going to read out what it says. Microfiber velvet sponge that are soft and fuzzy on the skin. Microfiber layer doesn't absorb any product. It saves more than 40% of your makeup and gives full coverage. Latex free, cruelty free and vegan. Smooth and fuzzy, gives an airbrushed smooth finish. Cleans well and retains a shape, will last very long. Okay, that's great. So how I can use it, they have also mentioned that dampen the sponge underwater, squeeze out the excess water, fill its fuzz, spread the foundation in dot lines on your face with your fingers, take the Plume Beauty sponge and spread it all evenly. Get the full coverage airbrushed look with Plume Beauty sponge. Let's see how it blends. I'm going to apply some primer, then I'm going to apply the foundation, blend with this, and I'm just going to follow with all the steps. So guys, first I'm just going to dip this in water and see if this expands or not. So you can see it got a little bit bigger and now I can feel the fuzziness more. I mean, the fibers are visible and oh my god, it is so soft, you guys. It's very soft. Anyways, I'm very excited to try this. I want to dampen this again and see how it performs because they have not mentioned that I have to try this dry as well. I do not like using sponges dry, so that's why I'm just going to dip this again. So now you can see, oh my god, the microfibers are visible right now. It feels really fuzzy and soft. First I'm going to prime my face. I'm using the Maybelline primer for that. So for foundation, I will be using the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Foundation and I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige. So normally I use 1.5 pump of this. First, I'm just going to dot this all over my face. So first I'm going to use this and see how it blends. Wow. So this feels really soft and it blends quite well. It's giving me that really flawless finish. You can see it just gave that really airbrushed finish. I absolutely love this. You can see in the sponge, it definitely soaks slight bit of the foundation and I'm really impressed. So now I'm going to apply a concealer. So I'm using the PAC Spotlight Concealer. I'm going to try out this side. When you try to blend this, it definitely feels very drying. Okay, so now I am going to use this one for contouring. I am going to contour my face, like cream contour my face. For this, I'm using the TAKECARE Concealer Crayon D32. Using the YBP color cream in the shade Witch. I'm going to dot, 3 dots is fine, and I'm just going to blend it from this side. So now it's time for baking, and I will be using the Kryolan Derma Color Fixing Powder. So let this bake, sit for some minute. I'm just going to fill in my brows and do my eye makeup, and I will be back. Okay, so I did my brows and little bit of eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I use the Faux Color eyeshadow, and the shades I use is Tenderly Light, Give Me Mocha. And for my brows, I use my Sigma Brow Powder Duo in the shade Medium, and for my highlighter, I use the Nika Glitterati. So I'm going to try this side to blend my powder contour. So I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm just taking this. It works. Now this is good. I will be using, I think, this one, the peach shade. See, it works so well. It blends my powder so well. And I'm not a big fan of applying highlighter with a sponge, so I'm going to highlight my face with the Nika Glitterati and my Sigma brush. I'm going to finish off this look with some lipstick, and then I'm going to give my final thoughts about these sponges. So for lipstick, I'm using the Purple Ultra HD Matte Lipstick in the shade Zumba Partner. Okay guys, so let me give my final thoughts about these sponges. First of all, let's talk about this. This is very soft, blends well, and it just gives that really nice coverage to it. So if you're someone who doesn't like full coverage base, this is not for you. But if you're someone who likes, you can definitely try this. You can go for a full coverage foundation, or you can just go for a medium coverage foundation and blend it with this so that you get the full coverage. When you try to blend this, it feels really drying, but the sponge is sweet, but it feels really dry. It definitely works with cream and liquid product, and I'm definitely sure that this will work with powder product as well. This blend my cream contour or cream blush, and it definitely worked for my baking, and it also worked to blend my powder contour and blush, which I really liked. So yeah, that was the quick review. Now if you are watching till the end, here is a giveaway for you guys. I will be giving away 3 sponges to 3 of you. I will be giving away this blush sponge. So the giveaway is on YouTube as well as on Instagram. So for Instagram giveaway, just check out the description box below. I will mention all the rules. I know a lot of you guys don't have an Instagram account, so that's why you can enter here. So for YouTube rules, what you have to do is subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below why you love makeup and write hashtag entered. So I will choose 3 winners from YouTube comments and Instagram comments. So the best comment will win this sponge. So there will be 3 winners. So the giveaway is valid for 6 days. So definitely do participate, because I love this and I really want you guys to try this out as well. That's it guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.